Hi friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video, we'll see question number 5 from Gate 2020 CS question paper.
Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam.
So friends, question number 5 is the pre-order traversal of a binary search tree is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16, 19. Which of the following is post-order traversal of the tree? And the options are A, B, C, and D. And friends, at the last of explanation, we will see how to solve this question in exam in 5 seconds. So friends, now we'll see explanation to this question. In this question, we are given with pre-order traversal of a binary search tree. And we are asked the post-order traversal of this tree. And friends, the point to note here is we are given with a binary search tree. So friends, in a tree, as we know that root is in the middle and we have left subtree on the left and right subtree on the right. And in pre-order traversal, we have root on the first and then we have left subtree and then we have right subtree. And in post-order traversal, we have left subtree first, then right subtree, and then we have root. So friends, pre-order traversal of binary search tree is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16, 19. So in pre-order traversal, the first node is root. So the root becomes as 15. And in post-order traversal, as we know that root is at the last. So it is the last node, that is root. So in post-order traversal sequence, 15 must be at the last. So this point we know with the help of pre-order traversal. So straight away, the option which we are given with is A, B, C and D. We can check at the end. 20 is there, so this is not our option. 15, yes, it may be a suitable candidate for answer. 10, no. 15, it might be the correct answer. So friends, A and C options are directly out. So we are left with B and D. And this kind of approach you need to take in exam. So friends, now we are left with option B and D. So what we will do is first we will check with the pre-order traversal of BST. So here what we found out is root is 15. Then whatever is less than 15 will become our left. So here after 15 we'll check. Okay, 10 is there, 10 is less than 15. It will go to left. Then we have 12. 12 is also less than 15. So it will also become left. Then we have 11. 11 is also less than 15. So it will become left. Then in BST, the things which are more than or greater than 15 will go to right. So next we have 20. So 20 is greater than 15. So it will go in right. Then 18, 16, 19 all are more than 15. So they all will go into the right subtree. So friends, here in post order traversal, again we just need to take considering the right subtree because left subtree will be on the left hand side and right subtree will result in the post order traversal and it will help in post order. So in the right pre-order we have 20, 18, 16 and 19, and here also the first node will become the last node in post order traversal. So the first node is root, so root is 20. So if root is 20, then if we do post order traversal of this tree, then this root will go at the end. So friends, before 15 in this sequence we should have 20. So in post order the last node is root. So in the post order sequence 20 must be the second last node. So we will quickly check in both the options which we have left, that is B and D. So in B and D, second last option 20 we have in B only. So B is the correct answer and D is the wrong answer. So friends, this is the kind of approach you can have in exam. So friends, now we'll see a quick demo of how you are going to solve this question in exam in just 5 seconds. So friends, quickly you need to check in question. The point 1 is pre-order traversal is given. Point 2, it's a binary search tree. Point 3, post-order traversal is asked. Then you just need to take the first node, that is 15, and you need to check in options that it should be at the end. So okay, now we have option A, last node is not 15, it is wrong. Option B, last node is 15, considered. Option C, last node 10, wrong. Option D, last node 15, considered. So we are left with option B and D. And next what we will check in the sequence is the next node in the sequence which is greater than 15. And the next node is 10, which is not greater than 15. 12, no. 11, no. 20, yes. 20 is greater than 15. So 20 will become our second last node. So now we will check in our option. Option B, yes, second last node is 20. Option D, second last node is not 20. So we got the solution. Option B is the correct answer here. So friends, this is the kind of approach you need to have for GATE exam, that you should have only one correct solution, and for the rest three options you should have the explanation that they are wrong. Then only you mark option B as correct. Otherwise, it might result in penalty. So please be aware that if you are correcting any question, the rest options you should have an explanation that they are wrong. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or comment, please ask in comment.